Hey everyone, in this quick Roblox tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to change the game icon for your Roblox experience. Your game icon is the first thing players see, so having a good one can help your game stand out and attract more clicks. Let's get started. First, open your Roblox Studio dashboard. Once you're in the dashboard, find the experience you want to update. Click the three dots button on the right side, then choose Configure Place. After opening your experience settings, look for Icon tab on the left side panel. Click on it. This section allows you to upload game icons and thumbnails that appear on the Roblox platform. Now you'll see the game icon section. Click Upload Image. Choose the icon image from your computer. Once uploaded, Roblox will automatically process the image. After uploading your icon, make sure to save your changes. Your new game icon may take a few minutes to appear on Roblox while it goes through moderation. Once approved, players will see your new icon in search results and on your game page. Reopen Roblox Studio dashboard to see icon update. And that's it. That's how you change your Roblox game icon. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Roblox development tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.